All the countries in the world were once joined together in a supercontinent called Pangaea. It was one massive island and was comprised of all the continents we know today. Pangaea slowly separated via tectonic plate movement and continental drift. What Pangaea turned into? The continents we know and live on today. These are Europe, Asia, North America, South America, Africa, Australia, and Antarctica. This occurred over billions of years, all thanks to a concept called continental drift. Continental drift is the movement of the Earth's continents in relation to each other. A continent is a landmass on Earth. Continental drift is a result of movements of things called tectonic plates, caused by things called convection currents. Tectonic plates are part of the makeup of the Earth, and they are what the continents sit on. There are also some plates underneath the ocean. A German scientist, Alfred Wegener, discussed his theory of continental drift in a book that he published in the 20th century. Wegener's proof of this theory were that the continents had perfect lines that matched together just like a puzzle. There were the same fossils on different continents, and that there were matching rock formations on continents. However, this was not enough evidence to conclude that continental drift was legitimate. So, what is the science behind continental drift? The Earth is made up of various layers: the inner core and the outer core, the mantle, and the crust. The mantle and the crust are made up of these tectonic plates. The continents of the world sit on top of these plates. These plates are always moving and interacting together, and over billions of years, this movement can cause the continents that are resting on them to move around. Continental drift. Divergent plate boundaries are where the continents separate. So, Pangaea, the supercontinent, had a divergent plate boundary where Laurasia and Gondwana met. This is best explained as the weakest point in the landmass, and when the plates in the mantle push against each other for long enough, they separate at these boundaries. As continents break apart, new oceans form between them, known as seafloor spreading. So what causes tectonic movement? Convection currents in the Earth's mantle cause the plates to move. The convection currents are caused by the leftover heat in the core from when the Earth was created, and as the heat rises up through the layers of the Earth, the tectonic plates resting on the mantle and the crust move. It may be only millimeters per year, but over billions of years, this results in continental drift. So there you have it, continental drift. It is caused by tectonic movement as a result of convection currents from the Earth's core, making the plates sitting on the mantle and the crust move. As the continents rest on top of these plates, they join in for the very slow ride of continental drift. All thanks to the continental drift, our Earth looks the way it does today. Who knows what it might look like in 200 billion years?